Hi there, my name is Sanook, but you can call me Sani, and welcome to this unboxing video of the XMB-9640 module balancer. In this video I'll give an overview about all the components that come inside the box with the tool and give you a quick explanation about them. Before we start, I have to make clear that this is a kit for a specific type of module. The XMB kits can differ depending on the type of module you are about to balance, but this will give you somewhat of an idea what you can expect. So without further ado, let's start opening the box. Make sure you open it carefully. We usually pad it up really nicely, but things might shift around during transportation. But just be careful with the opening. Now inside the box you will find a safety measurement book and a USB stick with all the manuals in there. There are different types of languages in there. So make sure you go through these before you handle any of our tools. In it there's also a box with all the components, and of course you will get the module balancer. Oops. Now this is one of our own units, but with a request we are also able to put your logo on here. In the back you will find several sockets, starting off with the power cable socket where you attach the power cable, then follow up by a socket for the high voltage cable that we will get to later on. You will find a connector for the black cable that will connect to the IMI-2404 accessory, which I also will show in a minute. And there's also an opening where you can put in the wireless scanner. In the front you will also see a USB connector where you can update the firmware of the XMB. Let's move on to the components. As you can see already, they are neatly tied up inside this box. And in there you will find a high voltage cable. This cable connects to the XMB with this side and to the plus and minus side of the module. As you also can see, there are some thumb screws attached to the high voltage cable where you can attach these cables with. This cable is used to actually balance the module. Next up you have the IMI-2404. Because module design and cell organization can change from vehicle to vehicle, we developed this IMI. This device connects directly to the XMB and simplifies service by enabling the XMB to monitor the cell information regardless of the module design. It has the ability to read up to 24 cell voltages and up to 4 temperature sensor inputs. And the connections to the module made simpler for use in dealership environment. Along with the IMI you will find a black cable to connect the IMI to the XMB. Also included is a low volt interface harness that connects between the IMI-2404 and the actual module. A chip interface could be required dependent on the communication method design of the module. Modules have different types of low voltage interfaces, including analog, digital and even wireless connectivity. The XMB solutions are developed to work with this myriad of interface types. If a chip interface is required, it will be included in the accessory box and simply plugs into the IMI to allow connection to the low volt interface harness. Keep in mind that the sets can be different depending on the module you're about to balance. As additional options, there is a cart where you can place the XMB on to comfortably move it around. By attaching the locking plate, you can make sure the XMB will not fall off. And on the side you can find the cable management brackets where you can hang all the cables that you need. There's also an option for a wireless barcode scanner. A wireless barcode scanner you can use to scan your modules, which will save up time and gives less room for errors. The dock is magnetic, so you don't have to worry about it falling off when you're moving the XMB around. This concludes the unboxing video of the XMB-9640 module balancer. Again, to be clear, this is one of several kits that we can provide. The accessories can differ with each type of module that you need to balance. If you want to see a demonstration about how to connect the accessories properly and have a look at the application, click on the video over here. If you have any additional questions, visit our webpage and contact us over there. For now, I thank you for watching this unboxing video. Midtronics, we will get you there. Subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification bell to stay up to date with everything we do. We hope to see you next week.